Let X represent the number of defective parts in a shipment. Probability X greater than or equal to X is given for X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Calculate E of X. So now we know that the expected value of X is just a summation of X times Fx, where Fx represents the probability function. However, in this case, we're not given the probability function, we are given this function, the probability X greater than or equal to X. So we can use this to extract the probabilities now in a discrete probability situation. The probability of X greater than or equal to X minus the probability X greater than or equal to X plus 1 will give us the probability X is equal to X probability, given that the increments are by 1, which is the case here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every time we increase the X values by 1. So the probability of X is equal to 0 will be probability X greater than or equal to 0, which is everything. So that's 1 minus probability X greater than or equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So to get that, you will substitute X equal to 1 here because this gives us probability of X greater than or equal to X. So if you substitute X equals 1, it will give you probability X greater than or equal to 1. And when you substitute 1 here, this part will become 0. And so you just have 1/2 times 1, which is 0.5. So the probability X is equal to 0 is 0.5. Similarly, probability X is equal to 1 will be probability X greater than or equal to 1 minus probability X greater than or equal to 2. The greater than or equal to 1, like we already said, would be 0.5. So for greater than or equal to 2, you would substitute X equals 2 here. You get 0.2764 and so on. And lastly, probability X is equal to 5 would be probability X greater than or equal to 5 minus probability X greater than or equal to 6. So there is no 6 here because this function finishes up. The X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability X greater than or equal to 6 will be just 0. And it can be seen from here also. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 over 5 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And so now we have all the ingredients. E of X is what we wanted. And that's summation of X f X. So 0 F0. So 0 times 0.5 plus 1 F1. So 1 times 0.2236 and so on. And we end up with 1.1. That is choice B.